Mile. Turn right onto FM 1172. Send to Michael Road 1172.
Shit! Jesus! What the hell happened? Oh,
he's still fucking going.
Oh my God.
Reducing suffering. Therefore, in order to act morally, you don't need to believe in any myth or story. You just need to develop a deep appreciation of suffering. If you really understand how an action
Oh, it's gonna be a wreck. He's gonna hit it. Oh, that was close. Oh!
Keep left to I-80 West, then keep
Поскольку
right.
нынешний хозяин браслета держит под контролем черных морян, хочу удостовериться, у всех ли есть око Василиска.
That's Roane County. Question number 6, Shane gave you the answer on the ride home yesterday afternoon at 5:25. In Bridget Jones' diary, what is the name of...
Somebody crashed, somebody crashed. Woo-wee. Go forward, dude.
Yeah. Go, 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 go. Oh, man. Bumper. Go around.
Should we stop, Jake?
Probably.
С этими уродами. Он не натягивал мне на голову мешок, кормил, когда я просил. Щелк, сказал я. Дверь неслышно открылась, и в комнату...
Неожиданно мягко и даже немного печально. Ты все правильно решил, мальчик. Ты пока не можешь делать мне такие подарки. Не потому, что я господин почтеннейший начальник, разумеется. Просто так все складывается. Зато ты вполне...
They really liked. And then the man was like, hey, I'm also good at something else. And they're like, really? Save video. And sure enough, that's what they started doing. And they started...
Term life insurance, up to $2 million in coverage with no medical exam. Some policies as low as $1 a day. Answer a few health questions and get your free quote at ethos.com.
I've already done the hard work to make them, so you might as well use them. So that's all I have for today. Thank you.
Hey, Garmin. Okay, Garmin.
Things in a much bluer that whole room in your memories. Get that on dash cam. Oh my god. Good job. Told you fucking. Holy smokes. To go where, asshole? Come on, you had to go. Let's go.
Look at this idiot. What a frickin' moron. What a frickin' moron.
Most men don't wear perfume, Pigeon, or dresses that make that much noise. You're here.
OnStar emergency.
Christ.
Platico por las calles de México, pues ahí está mi casa, la adicción que tengo desde niño se las voy a confesar. Pues estoy hablando de la adicción que tengo de los carros y las trocas deportivas. Recuerdo cuando era niño yo mismo.
Y'all see that? Fucking dork. Hasta la verga, mendigo.
This is so dumb. Because I'm crying.
Think to yourself, is this person actually going to be worth my time? How do I know they're not going to ghost me? How do I know they're not going to flake me in the future? It's having to be anxious, keeps them stressed, but again, they become addicted to the data.
Fucking idiot, man. Stupid ass. Idiot fucking truck driver.
Before we continue, I'll tell you about some life-changing comments I've made to the description. I'm not
And I see this in my truck flying by. Look at him. Flying by. He threw all the snow. He made it way difficult. See, you don't see the line here. I give him the high beams telling him to slow down. He gotta slow down. He cannot do that. So, again, I look at again in the mirror. I see this in my truck, same trailer, coming really fast, way faster than the first one. And yeah, look at the left side. Quick and easy. So guys, always be careful on the highway. And these guys, they need to drive more carefully. Look at the fire. Because there is a lot of families in the highway, older people. They need to slow down.